Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Instacart for grocery delivery services. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser or mobile app. Type in the URL for Instacart or search for Instacart in your app store. Once on the Instacart homepage, look for the sign up or log in button. If you're a new user, select sign up. Enter your email address and create a password. You may also have the option to sign up using your Facebook or Google account for convenience. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation link and click it if required. If you're an existing user, enter your credentials to log in. Now, select your grocery store from the list provided or enter your zip code to find local stores. Browse through the available stores and click on your preferred option. Once inside the store, look through the categories or use the search bar to find items. Add your selected items to your cart by clicking the Add to Cart button beside each product. Review your cart to ensure you have everything you need. When you're ready to check out, click on the cart icon. Choose your delivery options, such as delivery time and payment method. Enter your delivery address if prompted. If you qualify for any promotions or discounts, make sure to apply them at checkout. Once everything is set, click on the Place Order button to confirm your grocery delivery. You'll receive a confirmation email or notification about your order status. Sit back and relax as your groceries are prepared for delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.